quick YouTube video. Went to the Subaru dealer. I saw the accessory auto start feature. Couldn't find any information online. I actually went through and bought their little STS forum thing. This model didn't show up for some reason, so I ended up ripping out a bunch of dash work that I didn't have to. So if you end up buying it and thinking you want to do it yourself, the whole thing's literally just here. Put it to the back of here, and it literally just gets routed up here. There's like a little harness that's hiding with some blue tape. But insult to injury, it might still need to go to the dealership for get programming. So much for plug and play. But I'll find out later if that's the truth or not. So hopefully it'll help someone else out there so they don't have to do what I did. All right, so the car's all back together. Sure enough, I'm pressing these buttons and nothing's happening. So I definitely need to take it back to the dealer for the registration immobilizer crap that it says on the PDF file. Dog.